and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are here with a tricep workout. I'm joined with my adorable little workout buddy, Cinnamon. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab a step. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can still do these moves without one, and we will go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to start off with tricep push-ups. We are going to have our hands on the step here, and you can either come up onto your knees or onto your toes, whatever one you prefer. So I'm going to start off with my knees here, and we are going to begin for 1 minute here. So we are coming down and coming right back up. So this step adds a little bit of an incline here, and our hands are on the step here, and we're just coming down and coming back up. So talking about form here. So you want to make sure that your elbows are staying close to your body the entire time. That's how we get this push-up variation to work on our triceps, is by having them stay close, your elbows stay close in to your body the entire time. So we lower ourselves down and then we push right back up. So coming down and lifting right up. And if you want to take this up onto your toes, feel free to do so. But if you want to remain on your knees here, that is totally fine as well. So just keep coming down and pushing right back up. Y'all got this. Be sure to squeeze your core the entire time. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so next we are going to do those tricep push-ups, but we're going to have either our knees or our toes on the step here, and our hands will be down. So let's go ahead and begin. So we are just starting off here with those tricep push-ups here for 1 minute. This is adding a little bit of a different variation here. We have a different kind of incline going on here. Let me know in the comments below what you think is easier, with your hands on the step or your feet or your knees on the step here. I know my triceps will be feeling sore tomorrow after doing all of these tricep moves. But this is a great workout to really help you tone and strengthen those triceps, so getting rid of those bingo wings, helping to eliminate that underarm flab. Y'all got this. We just have a few more. And keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next we are doing tricep dips with our hands on the step for 1 minute. So let's go ahead and place our hands on the edge of the step here, and we will begin. So we're just doing this move for 1 minute. This little tricep dip here. Make sure that you are bending with your elbows here and not just with your butt here. You really want to bend at the elbows here to really work those triceps. And you can have your wrist facing in any direction here if it's easier for your hands to grip the step this way or in front. As long as you're working your triceps here, that is what is important. So be sure to check out the rest of the step workout videos. They'll be coming out soon. I know we've done a couple so far. We have our step butt workout, we have a step calf workout, but there will be more coming out soon, so make sure that you stay tuned for those. And just keep it up. Just a few more. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so our last and final move of this workout is going to be tricep dips with our feet on the mat this time and our hands on the floor. So we're coming up and we're coming right back down. So we are adding another little bit of an incline here. This time our feet are on top of the step and our hands are on the ground. So like before, make sure that you really are squeezing those triceps and bending with your elbows here, coming down. If your wrists are bothering you, that's fine. You can always just readjust, whatever works best for you. And just keep up the great work. We're almost done, y'all. You can do this. And if you want to do this workout a few more times, go ahead. But if you want to switch it up and add some different arm workout videos in, go ahead and do so. I have a lot of different arm videos on my channel that you can choose from. Okay, so we have about 15 seconds left, so keep on, hang in there. We're almost done. Don't stop now. We're so close to the finish line. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, congrats on finishing that workout. Y'all did a great job. Be sure to stretch those triceps and be sure to check out the rest of my tricep videos and the rest of my arm videos. I have playlists for those, so be sure to check those out. A big thank you to my workout buddy Cinnamon here. She did such a great job and she provided great company. And a big thank you to all of my subscribers and my viewers. I'm so grateful for all of y'all. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment letting me know if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!